Hey, testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. You see me? Let me just go. This is going to be the thumbnail of the video right here. Alrighty. So let's talk about this customer's credit repair result. This customer is from New Jersey. I did a story on this customer yesterday. Probably the story is not going to be there anymore because the story, oh yeah, it is on my Plus credit results stories on my profile. If you go to my profile, you go to my little stories section that I have. This results video is there, but I want to make this results video for you on IGTV, and for people in this video is also going to be downloaded, and also it's going to go up to my YouTube videos. So if you want to see more of my YouTube videos, just hit the link on my bio and subscribe to the channel. Anyways, 513, these are the results for this customer. Let me play some musiquita right now because let me play some Madonna right now for you guys. All right. Let's go and see his Equifax before. So if we go to previous scores right here, all right, so previous scores is going to lead us to this right here, drop down menu. He started April, all right, that's April 4th, but let's review his congratulations email. So let's go right here. Let's go right here. Congrats. He started April 8th. All right. And we sent out, we sent him, because every time when someone starts, I send you a screenshot of your results page of confirmation number and all that stuff that we disputed online. As we could see, we disputed his Experian and Equifax Online, his TransUnion, we had to upload. But aside from that, let's look at what his credit report looked like for 4. And let's look inside of the credit report, all right? So 590, let's write that down. 590. And we're gonna go back to reports right up top, right there. And then we're gonna go and see what his credit report used to look like for 4. So this is 513. You wanna see previous scores, we go to April 4th. And you scroll down and you're going to see right here how this customer had what, 11 plus 5 negative, 16 negative accounts. You see he has 17, 19 on Experian. Gave this customer, I told him it was going to be more money, but I said, I'll leave it at this price. Anyways, if you want to quote, you already know how much it's going to be. Just DM me your email address. I'll send you my how to start credit repair information. But this is his report back for 4. So let's go to the report for May 13th. Okay. As we can see, all right, no more installment, no negative. He only has one $300 credit card that he's paying on. And as we can see, no more negative accounts on his credit file. That means that in 30 days, we were able to remove everything from his Equifax. This hasn't happened in a while. I know I get fast results where it takes 30 days. Sometimes, you've seen me that I've been giving people results in 2 weeks or whatever, but let's check out the credit scores. All right. So if he started with a 590 to a 786. So if we go right here, all right, we go right here. Wait a minute. Why did I press that? Since when did we use Internet Explorer? Jesus. All right, so we're gonna go to calculator. All right, so we're gonna go 786 minus 590, okay, equals 196 points in the first round for Equifax. His Equifax is done. What do I recommend this customer do? Go and add some trade lines that are going to post on his Equifax. Customer makes money. By the way, if you are in New Jersey area, northern New Jersey, and you want to get rid of your junk car, he'll pick up your car and he'll buy your car. I don't think it has to be a junk card either to give you money. So, he pretty sure he'll comment below and put his New Jersey cash for New Jersey cars for cash, something like that. But anyways, these are his results. Let's zoom into his I don't know if I could zoom in, but that says 513, 786 credit score, 196 credit score increase. So good for him. Again, now we focus on TransUnion and Experian. Why were we able to get these fast results for Equifax? Because we disputed online. When you dispute online, you leave out the mail time that it takes for disputes to come in the mail. Now, I know this customer knows a lot of people, and this customer is actually a hands-on person. He works with his hands. There's a lot of you people who work with your hands that you may not be that good with computers and getting back to emails and stuff like that. Let me tell you something right now. It is imperative that you know how to use computers in any business. So this customer, as you can see, I'm going to show you his my email thread with these customers. You see, started the second I gave him a quote, told him to update his 3 bureaus, and look, these are the emails that you guys see. That's why I'm always online, always working, you know, always giving people results, credit repair info. I mean, he's referring me people now, but understand that this is a process business. Good for him that he was able to get everything removed from his Equifax. Again, my people, if you're looking for the service, you already know your boy GizzyCredit been doing this 10 years, messing around with y'all, trying to help y'all out, especially the people who are going to be rational people. We don't want no bipolar people. We don't want no crazy people. And, you know, sometimes I stoop down to you guys, especially when you call me all ghetto, and I understand that it's not good to stoop down to your level, because I gotta be looked at in a higher thing, so you guys can know that I'm gonna take you there. Or I know a lot of you guys think that I'm like your cousin, that I'm gonna help you out just like your cousin Macho or your cousin Junkie, but it ain't like that. All right, we're here to help you. We're serious people. All right, we're here to educate you, inspire you, and make you feel better, just like my profile says. Anyways, my people, you already know how to contact me, 973-440-8661. DM me your email address, and I'll send you my how to start credit repair information as well. Hope you enjoy your day. See you later. Peace.